those off, we'll put the stops on.
Today we got an ACE group coming in. They're here with a representative from Joe Rushing Plumbing. They're learning how to hook up a sink in a bathroom.
Most of the time your carpenters will have your sinkholes cut.
The ACE group is new within the last couple of years to Slaton, and we just kind of saw a need for a class like this. A lot of it was based on student interest, and there was some voting and things like that that told us the kids were kind of interested in looking into some of these careers, but didn't really have a chance to get started, at least in middle school. So as far as I know, we're the only ACE group, at least at this time, is offering a trades-related group through that ACE program.
Well, I learned some stuff. This is the pop-up assembly. We put the putty right here, and we put this rubber cone down so then we could put it in.
You take all this off, right? And then when you put this on there,
It's a lot of work.
Just how it's a really high-demand job. Anybody with the right amount of training and experience is almost guaranteed a job. So I think we got a lot of kids interested in possibly looking into this as a career. The other thing we talked about, though, is just kind of giving them some life skills, and you don't have to necessarily be a licensed plumber to have a plumbing problem one day. So a lot of these kids may be doing something completely different day to day, but hopefully when they get done with the class, they'll have some skills to just take care of some basic problems around their house.
In case if there's trouble with my sink, then I could do it instead of calling a plumber and spending my money.
this actually diverts the water.
It's been amazing. Like I said, they don't want to hear everything just from their teacher all day. So to have some people that are here with actual real world experience can give them the real deal. It's been amazing to have these guys on board.
It's good. Since he spent his time coming over here, it was nice.
Very cool.
Teaching us stuff.